valuable lesson, man. I had to grow up. That's why I never ask for help. I do it for you niggas and do it for myself. I go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick. Whole squad on that real shit. 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick. Real fucking quick, nigga. 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Real quick. Whole squad.
Damn, my street is fucked up now. That burnout was good though.
I was gonna do it till my wheels pop, but then I was like, nah, then how am I gonna get home?
Alright, so this day has come. Finally gonna put on my hood pins. I'm fucking scared as shit, but it has to be done. Cause I like racing, and if you have an aftermarket hood, you know, the hoods are kind of flimsy, so you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't feel safe while I'm racing or when I'm speeding, so gotta put on my hood pins. And for those that have aftermarket hoods, I suggest you guys get hood pins too, because you don't want your hood to pop up when you're racing or speeding. So I suggest you guys get a hood pins. There's different kind of hood pins you should get, or could get. It all depends on your style you want to do. I got these hood pins. They're from Saibon. They're like 80 bucks on their website. That will keep you safe from your hood popping up. Alright, so you're gonna be needing a 3/8 drill bit and a drill and something to cut with, because you're gonna have to cut it with your hood. So that's the scary part. And a measuring tape. Fingers crossed I don't mess up, but here goes my safety. Our first step is gonna be making sure you get this. Oh, you better get run over, bro. Alright, first thing, you gotta make sure this bitch is straight as fuck, cause this is your guide to all the cutting up here. So if you don't have that right, then you're all fucked here. So gotta make sure this is good. Alright, now that I have this pin lined up, I put some toothpaste just so I could get a guide up here. So that's where I'm gonna drill the verse hole. Make sure that bitch is lined up pretty good.
The cool ass technique I just learned, bro. Go super sideways, bro. So this is the result.
Okay, let's see.
Now let's check if it goes under. Yeah, now it went through. You don't have safety glasses, but you ride a bike, so you let them use this. Woo, that shit stinks. I thought we were supposed to breathe that in. How's it going, bro? You're a little dirty, bro. Got you. Down, bro. There's after the cut. All right, pull that bitch out.
Oh wait.
Okay. I'll take a video on my phone. What are we doing now?
The scariest part ever, man. Alright, well, here goes.
Here goes
Here goes $1,000 if I fuck up.
Alright, without you looking, let me go check first. Hold that up.
Nah, fuck that.
Hold it up. Oh, what did it say?
Oh, yes.
Okay, it's right there.
But let me make it bigger though.
We got the finished product right here, you know.
It's not going anywhere.
It's not gonna go anywhere, you know.
Hey.
Sick. Sick.
Alright, this is a scary fucking part. I already tested it out. Picked out, fitted perfect. Did it like 10 times just to make sure, but it should fit right. Oh shit, never mind. It should fit right, so I'm just gonna cut around here. Fingers crossed. Comes out good. If not, then hood is for sale. I don't even want to test fit it.
Now he's recutting it to match the size of that.
Look who decided to show up and help us. Fucking bitch. It's about 4 hours later. I got it to sit right with that and the hood pin. It's a fucking bitch if you don't have any experience. But I finally got it right. Looks good. Had to cut all this shit here. Piece of shit. We're done. Shout out to these guys for not helping me out.
All day, baby.
But I don't know how much I recorded because I was getting frustrated throughout the whole process. But I'll try to put it together, see what comes out. Fuck you, fuck you. Nah, you cool, you cool.
Actually, I fucking installed it myself.
Nah, Pinga did help me a little bit. This one's been here since 11, hasn't helped me once.
Hey,
He just supplied the tools.
Help,
Motivated you.
I did motivate you.
But this is how they
Do
look.
it. If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't have done it right.
Shut the
You're
fuck
welcome,
up.
bro. Yeah, if you wouldn't have done everything I told you, you would have fucked up your head.
Yeah, spooked.
That was good. It's a little rough, but fuck it, I'll fix it later. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully it comes out pretty good.
Came out pretty good.
No, the whole video.
Oh, my
I
bad.
don't think I explained a lot to you guys how to install hood pins. Cause like I said, I was getting frustrated, so. And this fucker was not helping me.
I helped him through the whole process. I told him how to do everything.
So
I told him
lame.
to do it a certain way. He wasn't listening.
Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.